I've been putting my customer list together, and in case you're wondering, I learned my long kiss goodnight techniques from watching The Millers. The High Council of Light says it's part of the natural order of all sacred medicine wheels. Pro knowledge, straight as an arrow, freedom of choice is a thing. Always has been, except everyone forgot about the G unit. Some people are still celebrating Christmas for some reason. Love it, but it holds zero spiritual value. A tradition like alcohol I still value. It's the balance only possible if you're a soldier of the Forbidden Kingdom. I save you, you save me, or something like it. Coyote magic. Cheers tequila, needed that shit. Rocking a staff, natural, of the earth, non-toxic. Smashing through the hypocrites. You know you fucking love it. It's like the Irish, learn to not get offended. Move on. All Sully does is dream about being a dog hanging with his loved one. Innocent yet magic little pup, part of the dog pound. Standstill journey, protected a lot like me because of the work put in. God chose me, nah, I chose him. A melodrama sensation. Tell me about your pulse plans for future occupation. Simply working both hemispheres this year, putting the collective into heavy contemplation about the who's, what's, why's and when's. I didn't do it, been chillin' at home making my own style of music.
South Australians have done a great job at keeping our state safe from COVID-19. Now it's time to get vaccinated, because here are the facts. COVID-19 vaccines have been tested, reviewed and approved in exactly the same way as all other vaccines. They're close to 90% effective at reducing symptoms and preventing hospitalisation and death. Vaccines do not have late onset side effects, and COVID vaccines are no different. So what are you waiting for? Get the facts and book your appointment at covidvaccine.sa.gov.au.